Imagine losing a major client because your sales deck wasn't able to make the right impression. Marketing collaterals aren't just some documents or PPTs, they are salesperson. They really do the talking, they do the convincing, and they are the stuff that work even when you are not around. Today in this video, let's explore what marketing collaterals are, what are the different types which are useful. So let's get started. Number one, brochures and flyers. They are really important, especially when you go for any trade shows, networking events, etc. These are just like some 2 to 4 pages, but they tell about what is your business about, who leads it, and what actually do you do in that business. It gives a sense of understanding about your business and creates a sense of trust in the people that you're meeting. So use it when you're going out for any networking events or trade shows and roll out your brochures and flyers to people so that it creates a first touch point with them and they know about you. And in the back of mind, they have some visibility on what your business does. Number two, business cards. I know it's just a small card, but a business card is really important in sharing your contact information, giving a small bite-sized information about what your company does. Like you can have your name of the company and then the tagline, and you can mention the website, email address, phone numbers, etc. for them to be in touch with you. Especially when you go for any networking events, business cards are really important. And nowadays you have LinkedIn, so you can just have the QR code generated for your LinkedIn ID, share with the people so that they can connect with you on LinkedIn instantly. And this way you can keep growing your network while connecting with different people. Number three, case studies and testimonials. I know you work with the different clients, right? If you work with pharma, if you work with technology, there are a lot of case studies that you can create around them. Like what are the products and solutions that you offered them which helped them get away from the pain points that they had, right? So if a company was facing a particular problem and if another company who is facing the same problem reads that case study, it creates a sense of connect immediately, right? Because they know that you as a business has already helped somebody who was in the same problem as us. Number four, but really important, website and your landing page. Usually, website is the first point now in this digital age that where people land. Your website should be neat, clean, tidy, and very creative. It should be able to convey within a matter of 1 minute what exactly you do and what your capabilities are. If your website is able to convey that, the prospect will actually remember it and remember it for long enough. So have a great website and also have some good landing pages. Landing pages are special web pages which are used for specific things like sign up, like payment options or choosing a plan, etc. Landing pages are also used when you run ads on your website. So use landing pages and make them really clean and clear so that anybody can understand what you do and can instantly connect. Number five, email marketing templates. When you pitch to different customers, of course you do email marketing as well. You need to have the templates like the first email, what is it going to be? How much introduction of your company are you going to share in the first email? Second email, is it going to be a follow-up email or is it going to be something more about your company? So you need to have the email templates created about your organization's expertise and what it can do. Along with the pitch deck, you're always going to send an email body, right? Which briefs about your business. So this email template has to be ready so that whenever somebody asks you, okay, send me your profile, you can just click on the send button and go on. Number 6, pitch decks and presentations. The presentation or the company profile that you create for your organization has to be really crisp and clear. It should not be more than maybe 20-25 slides max. It should tell who the founders are, what is the vision and mission of your organization, what is the capability of your company, what are the products and services, and how we can get in touch with you. If you mention these things in your company profile, that's enough. And that's a good pitch deck. Number 7, social media. As a company, you need to be visible online, be it any of the social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, especially LinkedIn too. So you need to be present everywhere and keep sharing the updates about your company on these platforms. When you post different things, it works as a marketing collateral in the long term. Of course, in the short term, it's more like a news or an update. But in the long term, when I'm searching about any company and it's throwing me some results about the company on LinkedIn, I can see their journey. I can see what they have posted at different times, and it creates a sense of trust again in how you're working. So, this is also an important marketing collateral. Number 8, brand film. As an organization, maybe you are a B2B or a B2C company, but it's really important for you to have a brand film. Brand film contains all the information that's usually there in the company deck, like what do you do, how do you do it, what are your capabilities, what are the products and services, and especially what is your goal as a sustainable organization. If you put all of these things in the brand film and create a really nice, captivating film around it, just a length of 60 to 90 seconds for a brand film can be really useful. You can put it all on your social media, you can send it along with your pitch deck, and you can also send it when you are in consistent touch with your prospects. If the brand film is really short, crisp, and captivating enough, they can understand about you really well, easily, and then of course they remember you and be in touch with you for a long term.